Hey friends, today we're going to read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Ooh, looks like a bunch of snow. I wonder what that is. That looks like a cave and some footprints. Look at these footprints going inside the cave. Maybe that's where Bear's at. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. So there he is, sleeping right in that cave. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crip crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. So a little tiny mouse comes scurrying in. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. So he wants to warm up, so he made a fire. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. So a hare is another name for a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew some black tea. Mouse sips when he slurps. Hare burps some big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" So the badger brought some food to share. Let's see if he'll join. "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So they decided to share what the badger brought. How nice of him. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. So now we got a lot of friends coming in at once. We got a gopher and a mole. We got a wren and a raven. They all come in at the same time. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So now they're all hanging out together by the cozy fire. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. It's a whole party up in there. And in a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at all of them up in there dancing. And the whole time the bear is just sleeping. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flick makes the bear... Uh-oh. A little pepper got off the soup. Let's see what happens. Makes the bear... Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. They look a little scared. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Bear does not look happy. That is an angry face right there. You snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. So now Bear isn't so angry. Now Bear's kind of sad. Bear's sad that he missed out on the fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. So Bear's friend said, don't worry about it. We can still have fun. So Bear gulps and Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So now all his friends are so tired from partying, they all went to sleep. And that's it for Bear Snores On. All right, guys, bye.